Now, who am I here? Really, Randy Bo Bandy? Okay, Minnie, I hear you too. Hello, guys. I'm coming to open the other door too. You bunch of animals. Hold on, are you ready? Go! Here they come. Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, ladies. Another day in the snow. I've got lots of food out here for you. And water. Now let me guess. The big tough chickens are actually chickens. You guys are just a bunch of chickens. Get out here in the snow, you lazy buggers. Hey, you bunch of chickens. And look at Randy Bo Bandy and Big Reggie. You're supposed to be so tough. Really? All right, buddy. Well, I'll put some food in there for you little babies. Look at this. Even all these old ladies over here are having fun in the snow. Tiny little ducks are enjoying it. Those big tough roosters can't handle it. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, Dot. Good morning, buddy. All right, everybody. Have a wonderful day before I go to work and paint a living room today.